Hi and hello there, Taurus! Welcome dito sa ating channel. Hi, new subscribers. My name is Yan. Returning Eastern buyers. Thank you sa inyong walang sawang love and support for me. At kung hindi niyo pa na-subscribe pa other channel, link is down below sa ating description box. So if interested, just click that link para kayo mapunta there at araw-araw ay nag-upload tayo ng collective readings for all signs doon. So ang ating content ngayon, no, is alamin natin, no, kung sino itong gustong kumonek sa inyo, no, yung pinaka-strong, okay? So it could be a new person right in here, no? Brand new person, okay? Kaya tatawagin natin itong no contact kasi maaaring makikilala mo pa lamang ito, no? But there's also an energy na baka maaaring ito naman ay ang inyo ritong past connection, no? Okay, na posibleng no contact kayo ngayon. So let's see kung sino ito, no? So Archangel Michael, thank you so much, Angel Guides. Can we get messages right here for Taurus? Please, thank you so much, everyone. Wala tayong gender dito, babae, lalaki, LGBT. Lahat ay welcome. Pwede rin pong i-switch ang mga roles dahil possible talaga magkapalit-palit. Kasi general reading ito. And at the end of the day, lahat ay may free will. Like, it's up to you if you want to claim the messages or hindi. Okay, so yeah, I'm seeing Green Hills, no? So, possible na galing kayo doon last time, no? Or napadaan kayo doon, or baka doon kayo mga babes, no? Nag-mall last time, or baka doon kayo nag-work. Just take out this resonates, okay? It could be a clue for someone here, or maybe this person is, okay? So, let us see. Who is this person here? Cross-watchers ni Taurus or may Taurus placements in natal/birth chart. Welcome din kayo. This reading is intended for may Taurians out there. Taurus. Okay, let's see. Is this a new person here or is it a new person or past person? We have the moon. We have the high priestess. We also have here the hermit, the wheel. Wow. You have the major arcanas right in here, Taurus. Na remember our reading last time, di ba? Nakuha nyo rin talaga lahat na major arcanas, Knight of Pentacles energy. Bottom of the deck, we have the Ace of Coins. You also have here the Three of Coins right in here, no? And the Five of Wands. No, you are on fire energy, Taurus. I love it. And we're also getting permission to see what comes next after this Five of Wands energy. King of Coins energy. Wow. So, from the looks of this, dun, 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 I'm seeing a new person right here for you guys. The universe ay talaga namang nag-speak out na dito. The moon, high priestess, hermit right in here, fortune's wheel, and the sun is an indication that someone right here na wala nang delay, nakikita na natin with the Knight of Pentacles energy, magsisimula na ang new beginning ninyo ng taong ito. Knight of Pentacles energy moving up with the King of Pentacles energy, from Knight of Pentacles to King of Pentacles energy, definitely a successful individual when it comes to finances, no? And nakikita natin dito na mas lalo siyang magiging faithful sa inyo kapag ka nagkaroon na kayo ng connection. Tatanda rin kayo rito na magkasama ng person na to. Yes, nakikita ko rito na tatanda kayo na magkasama, no? At nakikita ko rito na magiging matagumpay ang inyo ritong mga pananalapi area, no? At yung iba sa inyo, mga babes, no, wala kayong kamalay-malay with the moon right in here, no, that this person right here is coming. Remember, the moon and the sun na sabay ding lumabas sa reading ninyo last time, no? Nandito na naman ulit, no? Speaking. The moon and the sun, no? This is your prophecy right here, Taurus. This is your prophecy. This is your reality, no? And nakita natin dito that delayed is finally over, no? Nagsisimula ng umikot ang inyo ritong gulong ng kapalaran, no? Nang naaayon rito, no? Sa inyo ritong dapat talaga na ma-receive, no? There will be a lot of happiness right in here, no? This contact will be no contact na talaga, as in magiging over na yun, no? Dahil magsisimula na rito ang inyong love story. Kung sino man ito, very sincere individual, no? And nakikita ko dito lagi itong makikinig sa kung ano yung sasabihin ninyo, no? At napaka-spiritual na individual, no? At napaka-mature, no? May energy rin siya dito mga babes, na kung sino man siya, na possible na ito ay meron ditong energy na yung iba baka magkaedad lang kayo pero akala mo mga babes 'no, ang tanda niya na dahil ang lalalim 'no at mga may sense yung mga sasabihin niya rito sa inyo 'no, yeah. Yung iba naman talagang literal na baka older sa inyo ng konti lang naman ay nakikita natin dito 'no. So nakita ko dito that this person is very gentle, very thoughtful 'no, and this person right here 'no, irerespeto niya talaga dito kung naniniwala talaga kayo sa tarot 'no, 'yan. Kasi siya mga babes 'no, possible na hindi siya naniniwala diyan, pero irerespeto niya 'yan dahil 'yan ang inyo rito 'no, na belief 'no. So very good 'no. So this person right here is someone nakikita ko dito na, lahat ng tungkol sa'yo 'no, this person right here tanggap niya 'yan 'no. This person will hug, yayakapin niya rito yung mga bagay na tingin mong imperfections ninyo, very beautiful 'no. So this person right here is someone you could probably meet 'no, sa inyong workplace or kung ano rito ang inyong career or trabaho, pinagkakakitaan ninyo. You could be an entrepreneur, a business owner, whether you're a small business owner or big business owner 'no, it doesn't matter 'no, kasi yung iba puwedeng makilala ninyo sa negosyo ninyo or related sa negosyo ninyo. Kaya niyo siya makikilala rito na iba sa inyo, maaaring makilala niyo siya at ipakilala ng inyong colleague or katrabaho, coworker dito 'no. This person right here is someone who's faithful at mas magiging faithful pa siya sa inyo 'no, habang kayo ay nagkakakilala rito. Five of Wands energy, I do pick up 'no, na 'pag dumating yung mga problema sa life ninyo, this person right here sosolusyunan niya yan for you guys 'no. So nakikita natin dito that this person will be your, breath of fresh air. So nakita rin tayo dito ng energy that this person will someone 'no, na talagang, iba-balance niya rito yung energy mo. So, alam naman natin yung mga Taurus 'no, focus and detail-oriented when it comes to work 'no, very dedicated talaga si Taurus pagdating sa kaperahan 'no, sa trabaho. But this person will balance your life 'no, paanong miss yan? Okay, by doing something 'no, na magre-replenish or magre-refresh ng energy mo 'no. So, parang meron akong nakikita ritong schedule like let's say 'no, every weekend talagang kayong dalawa is magkakaroon kayo ng vacation or staycation 'no, para makapag-unwind ka at mawala yung stress mo sa buong week 'no, na nagtrabaho ka 'no. So yun yung kanya ritong goal 'no. And money is not a problem right in here because this person has lots of money. I do see that you are connecting here now with a brand new love who is successful at mas may isa-success pa siya sa life 'no, especially sa kanya ritong pananalapi at kaperahan 'no. I do see 'no, na kahit kayo ay ruled by the planet na talaga naman 'no, Venus 'no, all of the, luxurious things 'no, alam ko hindi kayo gano'n ka-materialistic 'no, and also hindi kayo yung as in spend lang ng spend ng money 'no. Okay, so I do pick up that this person here is someone 'no, na kaya rito na bigyan kayo ng mga ganyang bagay 'no, pero ayaw niyo rin naman yung energy na palagi niya yang gawin for you guys 'no. Because I do pick up that this is you mga babes 'no. All you want 'no, is this person's love 'no, and quality time 'no, na magkasama kayo 'no. And yes, lagi kayong may schedule dito 'no, ng inyong dates na hindi puwedeng wala. Lagi kayong magkakaroon ng schedule ng magsasama kayo, magde-date kayo 'no, and this person will surely know 'no, how to make you smile 'no. So, for some reason, I'm picking up 'no, that food and drinks 'no, will be present talaga strongly in this reading 'no. Parang napi-pick up ko rito, parang this person right here is someone who will cook for you or maybe this person right here 'no, lagi ka niya ritong padadalhan at papa-deliveran ng food 'no, may gano'ng klase ng energy 'no. So whether this person here knows how to cook or not, this person will surely make sure na talaga naman 'no, na kayo rito 'no, ay nakakain ng maayos 'no. And yeah, for some reason nakakita tayo dito ng energy 'no, na, nakakuha ko dito ng energy na yung iba, kaya may nakikita ako 'no, hindi kayo tabain pero malakas kayong kumain 'no, 'yan, kita natin yung dito, So, even though 'no, kayo rito mga babes 'no, ay may ganyang klase ng energy 'no, this person here will make sure 'no, that your healthy, that you're okay, 'no? So, nakikita natin dito that this person will surely takes care of you, 'no? So, para siya ditong isang doctor, 'no, naaalagaan kayo rito, 'no? Yeah, this is a new person. This is a new person. Hindi ko nakikitang ito ay old person right in here, okay? So, I do pick up right here, 'no, na ang nakikita kong konti lang talaga dito na energy ng ex ninyo is that the Wheel of Fortune signals me, okay, na puwedeng silipin ng past person mo yung buhay mo. Pero hindi siya rito, mga babes, 'no, maglalakas ng loob na kontakin kayo, okay? Hindi dahil nakikita niya na meron kang kasamang iba, 'no, kundi mga babes, alam niyang wala na siyang lugar sa inyo. Okay, that's little message, 'no. So, maaaring ma-curious lang yung ex mo, tingnan kung ano na yung life mo, 'no. So, nakikita niya that your life, 'no, ay mas maganda, 'no, ng 10 times fold kaysa sa life niya. Definitely, because this is the wheel of destiny at nakikita natin dito, 'no, na malaking pagsisisi rin, 'no, ang iyong, ang iyo rito na parang yun ang nakuhang karma, 'no, ng ex mo dahil sa ginawa niya sa inyo noon, 'no. So, nakita natin dito, 'no, that you're connecting here, 'no, with the new person and napakabait at napakabuti ng taong ito. Nakikita ko rin naaalagaan niya kayo rito, 'no, and this person right here is someone na nakikita ko, 'no, that you will definitely need each other. You will be each other's halves, 'no, at nakikita natin dito, 'no, na ikaw at siya, kayong dalawa, perfect combination. This is your perfect match right in here. Delayed is finally over. You will be reunited with your destiny. Yeah, baby. I'm hearing that na maaaring maging katawagan ninyo ay baby, no? But baby, this is definitely your destiny. So, pwede initials right here. Ang dami. Let's begin. We have here letter M. Nandito rin ang letter C. Nandito rin ang letter G. Mawawala bang letter N? Of course, nandito rin ang letter S. Nandito rin ang letter F. Ang letter R. We also have the letter L. We have here the letter E. And last but not the least, we have here the letter E. So yeah, these are all the messages we've got right here for you, sweethearts. Thank you so much for your time here, babe. And again, I'm your Yana on ni Sarang Heya Love and Light. And meow.